Hi everyone, welcome to my home gym. This is workout number 15 and we'll be doing our first full body workout. We'll be doing 6 different exercises, starting with the inverted shoulder press, the kneeling curls, kneeling cable rows, chest press, single glute press, and kneeling tricep extensions. In this workout, I go very heavy and I end up maxing out the sliding bench with a total of 90 pounds of resistance bands. So we're doing 2 circuits with 3 exercises per circuit, 10 reps per exercise, and we're doing 4 sets. 30-second rest between sets, I'll provide the timer, and we are increasing in resistance with the completion of each set. I'll put timestamps in the description so you can jump around to each set as needed, but I highly recommend that you just follow along. Be sure and warm up. Have a good workout, let's go. Alright, here we have circuit number 1 with the inverted shoulder press. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm starting the first set with a single resistance band and then adding another resistance band with the completion of each set. So specifically, this first set is a 20-pound resistance band, second set I'm adding another 20, third set a 25, and fourth set another 25, which will put us at 90 pounds of total resistance by the fourth set. And this is the same for all exercises in this workout. And so something to note, this GR8FLEX standard comes with 2 10-pound resistance bands and 2 15 pounds. So I went ahead and upgraded with the 220s and the 225s. So here we have the kneeling curls with a 20-pound resistance band, and I'm at the highest level on the tower. Jumping right into the kneeling rows. You want to keep a straight posture with this exercise. You want your back straight, extend your arms fully outward, and pull all the way to your sides. And keep in mind here, we're only doing 10 reps since we're going very heavy in this workout. Alright, here we're at the start of circuit number 2 with our seated chest press. And notice how I'm lower on the glide board just to get in line with the pulley system. We have the 20-pound resistance band and at the 15th or the highest level on the tower. You know, one thing that I've learned is that if you try to do this exercise on your knees, it's actually more difficult. You're going a little higher on the glide board, so the resistance bands are expanding even more. So just something to think about if you're looking for even more resistance. Jumping right into the single glute press. And for this exercise, I've learned that you want to keep your body centered on this glide board. If you kind of lean too much to the side, you might derail it or run the risk of derailing a bit. It's only happened one time, and since then, I've made sure to balance my body center on that glide board for this exercise. Alright, here we have the kneeling tricep extensions, and you kind of want to keep a straight posture while you're bent over, you know, your back straight. You'll see on the 4th set, I'm kind of struggling and really like jerking my body with this exercise, but you got to consider the 90 pounds of resistance. Alright everyone, that's the end of workout number 15, our first full body workout. If you completed this workout, let me know how it went in the comment section. I'd love to hear some feedback. Hope this content helps, specifically this video if you were ever wondering, how much resistance the GR8FLEX has to offer on the 15th level and the 90 pounds of resistance bands. We'll catch you on the next video, workout number 16. Thanks for watching, God bless.